Listen, if you're struggling to keep food on the table right now, you are definitely not alone. And more importantly, getting help is actually a whole lot easier than you might think. Welcome to this explainer, where we're going to completely demystify how you can secure vital nutritional assistance in Louisiana by applying online. We're talking maximum benefits minus the endless stacks of paperwork. Let's dive in. Right at this moment, over 430,000 households in Louisiana rely on SNAP every single month just to afford healthy food. So if you're experiencing food insecurity or financial strain, but you feel totally intimidated by the thought of government bureaucracy, take a deep breath. The system has been significantly modernized. A lot of that old bureaucratic red tape is gone, and the digital application process is incredibly streamlined. And the payoff for going through this process is huge. To put it in perspective, for the current fiscal year, a family of 4 can receive up to $975 a month to stretch their budget. That is literally a game-changing amount of money that frees up your remaining cash for things like rent, utilities, and medical care. Even an average one-person household gets around $188 each month. So taking 20 to 30 minutes to sit down and apply is absolutely worth your time. So here is our roadmap for this process. We're going to break the whole thing down into 6 manageable milestones, starting with an introduction to the program, prepping your documents, navigating the portal, submitting, post-application steps, and finally, using your benefits. All right, Phase 1, an introduction to Louisiana SNAP, and a look at who actually qualifies under the state's rules. So Louisiana uses a policy called broad-based categorical eligibility. Now, in plain English, this just means the state has expanded the gross income limit to 200% of the federal poverty level. Because of this, way more working families qualify than you'd probably expect. For example, for a family of 4, your gross income can be up to $5,359 a month. Plus, under this specific role, standard asset limits, like them checking exactly how much you have sitting in a savings account, are generally waived for most applicants. That eliminates a massive hurdle for low-wage working families. Okay, moving right along to Phase 2, pre-application preparation. A little organization right now is going to save you a massive headache later. You want to gather your required documents before you even log in. You're going to need a valid photo ID, social security numbers for everyone in the house, proof of residency, like a lease agreement, and proof of your income and household bills. Here's a pro tip for you. Just snap clear photos of your ID, your lease, and your bills with your smartphone. That works perfectly for the digital upload part. And hey, if you need assistance with all this, you can legally name a friend or family member as your authorized representative to help you out. With all your documents ready to go, Phase 3 is navigating the actual online application process via the LA Cafe portal. The LA Cafe portal process basically happens in 6 quick stages. First, make sure you have an active email address. Next, you'll create your account on the Cafe self-service portal. Quick side note here, make sure you're on the Department of Health portal, not the Department of Education one. From there, just select Apply Online for Form FOS4 app. You'll enter your household data, upload those smartphone photos we just talked about, and then finish the whole thing off with an electronic signature using your account PIN. Start to finish, it takes about 20 to 30 minutes, and it is hands down the absolute fastest way to get your benefits processing. But hey, we all know technology can be finicky. If the online portal's document upload fails or times out on you, don't panic. You have alternative routes to make sure your application gets to the Louisiana Department of Health. You can email them directly, though a crucial reminder, never, ever send your full social security number via email. You can also mail hard copies to their Baton Rouge processing center, send a fax, or just drop them off in person at a local economic stability parish office. That brings us to Phase 4, submission, and a quick look at the work requirements you need to know to keep your benefits active once you're approved. Under the 2025 regulations, work requirements are a bit stricter. If you fall into the category of an able-bodied adult without dependents, they usually just call this an ABAD, and you're between the ages of 18 and 64, you have to meet an 80-hour monthly work or training quota. If you don't hit that mark and you don't have a verified medical or situational exemption, you're limited to receiving SNAP benefits for only 3 months within a 36-month period. All right, Phase 5. Post-application steps. You've hit submit, you understand the rules, so what happens while you wait? Once you submit, the clock starts ticking. The state has a standard limit of 30 days to make a final decision on your application. But, and this is important, households in extreme financial distress, which means less than $150 in gross monthly income and $100 or less in liquid resources, can qualify for a 7-day expedited track. That gets emergency benefits issued super fast while the rest of your documentation gets verified later. Now, here is a massive takeaway for this part of the process. Answer your phone. An LDH caseworker is going to try to reach you for a mandatory phone interview, usually within the first 10 days. Pick it up, even if you don't recognize the number. During that call, they're just going to verify the information you entered online, so it's super helpful to have your paperwork nearby when they call. Finally, phase 6. We're in the home stretch, receiving and actually using your grocery benefits. If you're approved, your Louisiana Purchase EBT card will arrive in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. It works exactly like a prepaid debit card at the grocery store checkout. You can easily manage your account, check your balance, and track your next deposit using the Life in Check mobile app. But listen closely to this policy change. Any unused benefits are now permanently wiped from your card exactly 274 days after they're issued. It doesn't matter if you're actively using the card or not. So basically, use them, don't lose them. Also, a quick heads up on a major change coming in 2026 involving the Healthy Foods waiver. At the register, your EBT card will automatically block purchases of soft drinks, energy drinks, and candy. The checkout system simply won't let your SNAP funds apply to those items. But don't worry, your standard staple groceries like fresh fruits, vegetables, meats, dairy, and grains, they all remain fully SNAP eligible, just like they always have been. I really hope this explainer empowers you to confidently navigate the SNAP application process. Just taking that first step online can bring tremendous relief to your household budget. Please remember, of course, that this explainer is for educational purposes. You should always verify official details, current income limits, and your exact eligibility directly with the Louisiana Department of Health. So, now that you see exactly how straightforward the online portal really is, what's stopping you from claiming the assistance you deserve today?